Hi, I'm Johnny McElroy with CertainTeed Offsite Solutions. I'm here with Andrew, a builder with 25 years experience. We're standing in front of a completed ONE Precision Assemblies wall panel.
What can you tell me about the construction of a ONE Precision assembly?
Yeah, sure. This is our exterior wall panel. It's a structural insulated panel. So 2x6 construction, we dense pack Optima fiberglass insulation in the cavities. On the interior of that, we use our membrane. It's a smart vapor control layer. On the exterior of the wall, we have our sheathing layer. Outside of that, we're using Vicor NVS as our weather resistant barrier and also our exterior air barrier.
So fully air sealed before it leaves the factory.
That's right. And on top of that, we're installing windows in the factory and siding. On the inside of the wall, we also have a 2x3 framed wall that's attached to the 2x6. That gives us a chaseway around the exterior of the building, and we don't have to interfere with the structural insulated envelope.
So the MEPs don't destroy your insulated wall while in the field.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're able to run all your wires, your electrical boxes, and keep them out of that structural insulated envelope, which is super important, right? This is a really airtight assembly. And then on the job site, these get delivered, picked by the crane one at a time. We use gaskets around the perimeter. So as the two panels together, there's an air seal component in the center of the assembly. And then we're taping around the perimeter of the panel as well.
So completed in the shop and installed complete in the field.
Yeah, absolutely. So you get a weather-tight envelope in just a matter of days on the job site.